The peace deal between the United States and Iran is absolutely historic, and the most important word for investors is conditional. It is an entirely conditional agreement in which a number of milestones need to be achieved in order to unblock funds from Iran and at the same time normalize the environment in the area. Number one, the opening of the Strait of Hormuz without any limitation is absolutely critical. Number two, the verification of the nuclear program and the elimination of the accumulated uranium in Iran. It's very important to understand that all these two elements add to a third, which is the ending of all types of hostilities from Iran and its proxies, Hezbollah, Hamas, etc., against Israel and against the Gulf nations. More importantly, it has to be an entirely conditional agreement considering the three elements at the same time. So it is a peace deal, it is a nuclear deal, and it is a commercial deal. Those elements together would help eliminate some of the sanctions and some of the limitations against Iran, but they need to come with a full commitment. And this is what is critical for investors. This is why oil prices are correcting so fast. People see that the weapon of the Strait of Hormuz is less relevant every month. People also see that the diversification of security of supply, that the different sources of supply, including record exports from the United States, and the new infrastructures created by Gulf nations add versatility and improvement to the infrastructure environment and the commercial environment. All of those elements are important, but the Strait of Hormuz opening, the nuclear deal and the elimination of uranium, and the end of all hostilities to Israel, but also to all other Gulf nations, are critical elements. Those will be monitored throughout 60 days, and it is in the best interest of everybody to comply with them. Why? Because for Iran, it is an absolutely essential agreement in order to restore a little bit of economic growth and reduce inflation and start to improve the situation for citizens. More importantly, if, as they say, clearly they want nuclear energy only for peace purposes, eliminating the already heavily enriched uranium is an absolutely critical element and should not be a burden. Therefore, those elements will be monitored in the next 60 days. The agreement is entirely conditional, and there will not be lifting of sanctions and lifting of blocking of capital until there is clear verification that this is going forward.